This is portrait drawing course for beginners suitable for anyone above age 13 and any adult. If you do not know anything about shading or portrait drawing, do not worry. This course teaches you everything from the basic. This course will teach you how to practice portrait in the right direction. To create a realistic portrait, you should know everything about shading, facial features, face construction and light theory. All of these are taught in the course. After this course, you will be able to create realistic portraits from photo and from life grid-free. This course will help you improve your visual measurement, analysis of features, mapping of features inside the face, face construction and how to achieve realism. This is artist RamyaSadasivam. I've been practicing art for 13 years now. With my experience, I've come up with a technique which will make your portrait study several folds easier. This course will guide you on the pencils that you should use, paper, eraser and how to preserve a drawing properly after you create it. This course will teach you how to shade, how to draw facial features, how to construct a face, how to place the features inside the face you have constructed and how to create the effect of realism. The unique selling point of this course is that I've added 15 portrait drawing demos from photo and 10 portrait demos from life. The reference photos of all the demos are attached in the respective demo sections. So after watching the demo, you can download the photos and start your practice yourself. So this course has 16 hours of teaching and 20 hours of demo, which makes it 36 hours of video content. All of this you're getting at a very affordable price. The best thing about the course is that you can watch and learn the course at your convenient time. You can watch it on your mobile, tab, laptop or desktop. In case of doubt, you can get your doubts clarified via mail. If you are skeptical about my credibility, you can check my YouTube channel youtube.com/artist RamyaSadasivam, where you will find my portrait drawings and portrait paintings, or you can Google me as artist RamyaSadasivam. You will find my interviews and also you will find my site, and you can check the quality of my realistic paintings, drawings there. As soon as you purchase this course, you will be enrolled in the course and you can start learning immediately. Rest of the details are there on my site RamyaSadasivam.com/courses/portrait, and the course link is in the description section. Please go through the details and you can join the course on the same page. Thank you for your time.